everyone. Recently, we got a common query from some of our global clients. That is how AUTOOL smoke leak detectors work and what makes it stand out from other brands. That's a very good question, and we are gladly to share about it. For years, efforts and constantly growth, AUTOOL smoke leak detectors are popular in more than 160 countries and regions around the world. We have been receiving feedback from users saying our smoke leak detectors has shortened the time of diagnosis and improved their working efficiency. We are grateful and happy to know that our products are widely relied on and well received by our users. So, how does our machine work? Different from traditional methods, our AUTOOL smoke leak detectors employs a forced combustion smoke generation method in a low oxygen environment. It is organized by a conductive column to the heating wire, which rapidly heats up to more than 300 degrees Celsius so that the mineral oil reaches to the ignition point, enter to the state of combustion. Due to the small intake of airflow, it is insufficient to provide sufficient oxygen to conduct full combustion. Thus, the combustion mainly occurs on the surface of the heating wire. Subject to high temperature heating, the mineral oil retention objects can continue to burn efficiently around the heating wire, thus providing a large amount of smoke. Our smoke leak detectors can help you quickly and accurately find if a failure is caused by a pipeline leak, and can even detect the smallest leaks. The stability and safety of our smoke leak detectors are reliable, so you can totally rest assured to have our products and use them without any worries, because of 3 years warranty and lifetime maintenance. Thank you for your great support and thank you for watching. Please stay tuned.